Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We're here 5 days a week. We're here 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. The start to a better life or a better world or a better future is to simply believe that it is possible. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 224, NASDAQ up 75, S&P's up 26, gold contract up $11.50, trading at $1,073 an ounce. Now, what you had, Federal Reserve, 2 o'clock, go up in rates, first time in 9 years. We went from 0 to 1/4 point. Federal bank-to-bank rate, we're going to go from 1/4 to 1/2. Bottom line, they say inside the minutes or their statement that they feel at the end of 2016, rates, short-term rates will be 1.37. ASAP, the banking structures put up the prime rate. Wells Fargo's out there at 350 right now. Thanks, Terry, for that info. Great info. Gold up $11.30, trading at $1,072. And that absolutely was a counterintuitive move, folks. Specifically, what I mean by that is this. So, rating structure goes up. Most of the time, rating structure goes up. Dollar should go up. Commodities go down. Now, commodities have got killed. There's no doubt about that. Bottom line is that there was only 3 commodities that were higher today. Gold, silver, and natural gas. Bottom line, gold is trading at 1072. It got juice into the move top side, wants to go higher. It's going to go after the December 4th swing high at 1088. You get volume there, you're going to have a lot higher price of gold. Silver was up 39 cents. It's at $14.16. Now, silver was a false break downtown. Specifically what that means is that it's been in a consolidation 4 months. It broke downtown 2 days ago. Down real good, actually. It was down at the $13.60, and it just blasted higher. This is before the Fed move, and it stayed higher. Bottom line, silver also wants higher price. Oil, whole different ball game with oil, folks, man. We just must have so much oil, and bottom line, oil very well could be an ABC structure on the way down. Now, oil was down at $1.71 today. This is a closing low for oil. $35.63. Will 32.40 is the low of December of 2008. It's going to, I suspect, go after that number. We're going to have a much better indication if that number is even going to hold. Why? Because it looks like the oil market is set up an ABC structure. This is the physical oil market on the way down. Now, if you break that B point, which I suspect we're going to go after tomorrow with volume, guess what? That means oil will go a lot lower. The bond market. Now, this one's pretty wild. So we go up in short-term rates. The 10-year bond is down 14 ticks, 125.21. The 30-year down 14, 154.09. Both of those have pulled back with lighter volume, and they are not at the lowest swing point, number one. There really wasn't a lot of movement inside the bond market, which is really unusual in the context that rates are going up. King dollar. King dollar up 137 ticks, 98.42. King dollar having a hard time holding higher price. King dollar looks like, bottom line, still wants to go after its lowest swing point of 95. And the thing that's amazing, of course, is that the first expansion down in King dollar had to do with Draghi over in Europe, December 4th, saying that they're going to extend their monetary policy, meaning still pump money into the system. He just didn't expand it. And that's where King dollar got killed. That's where the euro caught a bid. The euro right now is at 109, and the yen is trading up 55 at 122.22. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. We bring up the SPY. What you have with the SPY is this. SPY was up almost, well, it's up $3. It's up $2.99. We came in with volume of, there she is, came in with volume of 189 million shares, and that's saying that, bottom line, that thing can go for the last swing high up here, which would be 211. Right now, you're at 208.03. NDX 100. Now, the NDX bottom line has been having a tough time catching a bid all day. It went up. It went up by $1.67, 113.98. That did 44 million. It's going into 48 million. That also can get up into that 114.28. That'd be the lows of the highs. We'll see whether it can actually get into those highs. It's going to be really tough with the NDX 100 because of the amount of downward pressure on Apple. Apple today, folks, was up 84 cents. It had a high of 111.99, a low of 108.80. It just couldn't handle price, and that's with our markets going up 3 days in a row. Apple hasn't been able to basically follow those markets higher. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? This is what you have. Gold contract right now caught a bid, and this bid was caught before the Fed came out with the numbers, stayed up, which is impressive in the aspect that the rates are going to continue to go higher. We're at 1,071.80. 1,088.30 is the high of the December 4th level. It's going to go after that high. You break that high with volume, then you're going to see real juice. Then you can make the point that you're going to go to 11.92 in gold. 11.92? Yeah, 11.92. And we're at 10.71. Silver market, as I said a little bit earlier, that absolutely was the best performing commodity out here today. That was up 37 cents, 51,000 contracts. It's right back inside 14. It's going to go after the December 4th swing high of 14.62. You get that with volume, that's going to end up getting a $16.40 print. Bonds. Now, this is where this is just a bond market. We take a look at the 10-year. 10-year went down to a price point of 125.12. Rejected that level. Closed at 125.22. Had volume of 968,000, which is really weak, going into 1.6 million. So the 10-year is saying it wants that's a rejection of lower price, has lighter volume. The 10-year is saying, hey, we're going to go right back topside and go into 127.10. And if that's what we do, that is going to be the biggest mind blower around. Why? Because we know that we're not speculating that they're going up anymore. The short-term rates are up. They're going up, and the Fed's saying they're going to go up another point in the next year. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. Dow Industrials closed up 224. NASDAQ up 75. S&P's up 26. We're going to be right back.